MCO. Most vehicles may not be combined with any other offer. Limited time offer. Participating centers only.
Hey, this is Dr. Drew Pinsky, and we are exploring what is America's obesity epidemic. Now, according to the CDC, 33.8% of adults are obese. Not just overweight, but obese. The problem continues to grow, but effective solutions are limited. I'm here today with Raquel to discuss her success with 1-800-GET-THIN and the lab band.
I have lost over 101 pounds with the lab band, and I have never felt better. I was pre-diabetic, I had high blood pressure, but now it's all gone.
Losing the weight can greatly improve your health and also the quality of your life.
Living without the weight changes